Welcome to my channel. This is an RC boat that can navigate autonomously. It features a flight controller running ArduPilot firmware and uses a differential thruster system. ArduPilot firmware is derived from the Rover firmware. The differential thruster system consists of just two underwater BLDC motors and bidirectional ESCs. The power for the RC boat is supplied by a lithium-ion battery pack. The flight controller has three basic modes: hold, manual, and loiter. It also has an auto mode for following waypoints and return to launch mode. After arming the flight controller, these modes can be used. The default hold mode does nothing and remains idle. In manual mode, the boat can be controlled manually using the transmitter sticks. The boat can move in any combination of left-right and forward-backward directions. In loiter mode, the boat maintains its last position. You can think of the loiter mode as similar to anchoring. A mission with waypoints can be uploaded to the FC, and the boat can perform this mission in auto mode. In this mode, the boat passes all the waypoints and returns to the launch point. In RTL mode, all other modes are overridden, and the boat returns to the launch point autonomously. In addition to the RTL mode, the FC has fail-safe actions that modify the flight mode into RTL mode in emergencies. The boat is controlled via an Express LRS-based RC transmitter. Thanks to the LRS system, all the telemetry, such as flight mode, voltage, current, battery status, and GPS coordinates, can be monitored. After the tests, the saved log files on the flight controller's SD card can be inspected using different tools. Enjoy watching.
Reached waypoint 2. Reached waypoint 3. Battery level 1. Reached waypoint 4. Reached waypoint 5.
Auto flight mode.
Battery level 1. Reached waypoint 5.
Mission complete.